Today I'm going to learn how to fly an FPV drone, and there is a chance it might not survive the day. Hi friends! I've never flown FPV before, but I've heard it's like driving a race car, only in the sky. Let's see if this doesn't end with a crash landing. I was told that an FPV drone is different from a regular drone because you see everything from a first-person view, right through the drone's camera, as if you are flying yourself. And it's much faster, more maneuverable, and requires more skill. A regular drone can stabilize itself, but FPV can't, so every mistake is yours. So no autopilot here?
No.
Great. Before taking off, I was shown the basics, how the control sticks work, how to take off, brake, and not to crash into a tree. Looks like I'm about to enter a video game. Wow, that's really cool! The first few seconds of flight are just an explosion of emotions. Everything around you moves fast, and you have to keep your balance in the air. FPV means full control, and honestly, that's a little scary. Yeah, I almost managed to land in a bush. Someone please turn off turbo mode. Why is everything coming with me so fast? I was given a simple beginner's tip. Imagine you're holding a cup of coffee, and if you tilt it too sharply, it will spill. It helps you avoid making sudden moves. Where is the brakes? Oh, there is no brakes, right? And under the table, let's go! So, FPV is fast, challenging, and insanely exciting. There is no room for accidental moves, and every flight is a challenge. Today I realized that flying is not just about technique, it's about the feeling. FPV makes you feel like a pilot, even if you are just standing on the ground. See you in the next time, and may your flights be crash-free. Bye-bye!